Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge SUV and I will show you the location of the spare tire and the tire toolkit. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now first you want to open the lift gate, and then all you have to do, you just have to lift up this bottom cover in the trunk area, and here is your spare tire. Okay, now the spare tire toolkit will be located under the spare tire, so you can even see it here through these holes, but I will show you. So to access it, you just have to unscrew this spare tire holder all the way and remove it. Okay, once you do that, you can place it on the side. Now the spare tire will be completely loose and you can lift it up, and underneath it you'll have your toolkit. One more thing I will mention: once you install the spare tire, make sure it's fully inflated to 60 psi. And also make sure you don't drive fast on a spare tire. So maximum vehicle speed is 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour, depending if you live in Canada or United States. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.